I am at this moment the Vice President of PAM organization, the Parliamentary Assembly of the Mediterranean. We are seated in 7 national parties. Very, very important. You know, Turkey is between Asia and Europe. Two countries, two important nations. So it's the of the best dialogue. And what I have seen, it's for a long time, is very in this in the European, even with the Muslim countries. So I consider that Turkey is one of the key countries for the world to attach the peaceful and even to and economic development of Turkey is also very important, because if you have give plan to is the best targets to what and to make people happy, and in Turkish they are going to do. I'm sure that Turkey will be useful and for the countries that are coming, Arabs. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.